My name is Aanyu Margret. I come from Okisirana Parish, Okisirana Kateki Village, Akising Sub-County, Pallisa District. Before joining Gudie Leisure Farm, I was farming. I was growing crops like cassava, maize, beans, soya beans. Then the other crops for just selling like coffee, then cotton. Sometimes you have to do a loss like inside of cotton because like 2023 I applied for like 2 acres, but I got just only 1 sacket like this. Gudie Leisure Farm I heard from our local leaders. From there they interviewed me. I succeeded in our interviews. After succeeding, they told me you should have a smartphone. You have to get LC1 recommendation, 2 pass photos. But I succeeded. I found all those things. I'm in poultry industry. Since I joined the Gudie Leisure Farm, I've enjoyed in the Gudie Leisure Farm poultry industry. I was not knowing how to construct a breeder, but right now as I speak, I know how to construct a breeder. After constructing a breeder, you have to disinfect. After disinfect, you have to pour a litter. After pouring a litter, you have to again to disinfect it. Then you put your chicks there. You will just start feeding them now, giving them their feeds, water, and with treatment. You have to vaccinate them per week. We are vaccinating diseases like coccidiosis. Actually, in poultry, I have learned how to take care of birds, how to make a profit when you are handling poultry vices, and again keeping records. You must be so delicate in keeping records. In the case of when a bird dies, you have to write that I've lost 1 or 3. In Gudie Leisure Farm, I have learned how to make beads. I have learned how to make pads. Then I have again learned how to make a key holder. Actually, in business, I have got a knowledge in how to open an account concerning a business. When I go back to our village, I have to transform per year 100 ewes female for them also to gain a skill and knowledge from me as I've got from Gudie Leisure Farm. We have been people with a lot of poverty, but I think we shall also now move to another level. Thanks so much, and I appreciate, may Almighty God bless you, reward you more than the one you have used to us.